How to buy Mobile Legends pins with GCash. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can buy Mobile Legends pins with GCash. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up GCash application and log in into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken into dashboard. From the dashboard, from the menus, tap on View All. Once you're taken into next page under View All, then you have to select the Game Credits under Pay section. Now under Game Credits, again you will have a menu bar at the top. Swipe that to your left and search for Mobile Legends. And under Mobile Legends, select the option that you want to buy. You may have 50 Mobile Legends pins, 100, 500 or 1000. So according to your preferences, choose one from that option, then tap on Next. Once you do that, you will find the summary of your product. Now to pay for the Mobile Legends pin, tap on Pay and then follow the on-screen instructions for the payment. And once you're done with that, you will receive an SMS that contains the e-pin to redeem the pins on the Mobile Legends. That's it, and that's how you can buy Mobile Legend pins with GCash. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.